Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Walgreens and we're here to do some deals for the week of the 15th through the 21st. I do believe that's the dates. But anyways, we're here to do some deals and I'm excited about this week's deals, mainly because we got a new P&G rebate and I've been waiting for a P&G rebate to come around. So I'm very, very excited about that. We did get a digital booster. So on one account, I got spend 30, get back 6. And on another account, I got spend 35, get 7. Hopefully I can find some paper boosters or get a paper booster because of course that always makes the deals even sweeter. But anyways, last week I didn't do a video because I just didn't think there were that many great deals, and I only had a paper booster and I wasn't able to go right at the very beginning of the week. And so I'm in this mindset now where I don't think I should churn out content every single week if the deals aren't there. You know what I mean? If I don't think the deals are there. If we don't have boosters, because I know a lot of people didn't get a booster except a wellness booster. I know I only had that paper booster and I thought that, I don't know, I just don't think that I should churn out content every single week if the deals just aren't there. So that's my story and I'm sticking to it. So we're going to do 2 transactions. I'm not going to be using any paper coupons. I'm just going to be using digital coupons. And that's it, guys. So anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah. I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There will be a Google Doc linked down below in the description box. And I know sometimes I say that and then I end up forgetting putting it down there. So if someone does remind me and it's not there, I will put it in that comment. And then, of course, I will put it in the description box because life, things, adult brain, 43-year-old brain, I don't know. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first thing we're going to do is, on our first transaction, we're going to grab 2 of these Werther's special fall caramels. They are priced at 2 for $9, and there is a $1 off 2 digital coupon that we have. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta for $1 back for both. And we're going to also submit our receipt to Swagbucks. Now, at the time that I filmed this on Sunday, there was an offer on Checkout 51 for another $1 back for both. So that would make these 2 for $2 for me. But I do believe that is gone now, so that I would make it $3 for you, which is a really good filler item. So I would still grab these even though you can't get the Checkout 51 offer. Next, we're going to do a paper deal. Now, by itself, this deal isn't that great, but adding it in with our boosters, that would be a better deal. So these are buy 4, get back a $5 register reward, and they're $5.49 a piece. I picked the blue pack. I didn't know sometimes the blue pack will only give a register reward. Sometimes the red pack will only give a register reward. So I'm not sure if that's still the case, but I grabbed 2 of the blue pack and then 2 of the bounty. Now our total is going to be $21.96, and I do have a $1 digital for the Charmin. I also thought I had a $1 digital for the bounty, but the bounty is for 4 count or more. So we only have a $1 digital coupon. That would make these $20.96, getting back a $5 register reward, making the pack of these $15.96, or roughly $4 a piece, which, like I said, by itself isn't a great deal, but adding in our boosters and something else that I found out, it's going to make for a really good deal. So just keep that in mind. So next we're going to grab some Olay body wash, this new fancy kind here. This is a monthly promotion, and it's all of these here that are $14.99, but they're priced at $12.99. Buy 1, get back a $2 register reward. So this, like I said, is $12.99. We have a $2 digital coupon. We did have a $3 digital, and I don't have that anymore. So we're just going to do the $2 digital. We'll pay the $10.99, get back a $2 register reward. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta, and we'll get $3 back, making it $5.99. Now this purple one did scan and say it did attach to the Ibotta rebate. The others, it still isn't fixed that they are with the working with the Ibotta rebate. Even though last time I did this deal, Ibotta did give me a courtesy, they said $3. So anyways, the purple one will give you back the $3 Ibotta rebate, making this $5.99. If you have that $3 coupon, that'll make it $4.99. And this is kind of like a filler so that I can spend some Walgreens cash. So this is everything I'm getting in my first transaction. I do have a digital booster of spend 30, get back $6 in Walgreens cash. I am using a few register rewards here to lower my out-of-pocket as well. Now we're going to do another transaction, and that's going to make this transaction here also really cheap. So we're going for the Gillette Mach 3 razors. They are $8.99, buy one get one 50% off, and the tag doesn't say it, but they're buy two, get back a $5 register reward. So one of the razors will be $8.99, the other one will be $4.49. That will equal out to $13.48. We have one $3 digital coupon that we can use, and we'll pay $10.48, get back a $5 register reward, making it $5.48 for both of them. And these are honestly the razors I use. They are better than any woman's razor, so keep that in mind. Next, we're going to just grab two big Tide. There is no promotion on these except they are on sale for $15.99. Now I promise you, stick with me here, it's going to end up being a really great deal. So we're going to grab a Tide liquid and this 57 count of the regular size Tide Pods, also priced at $15.99. I have a $4 digital for the Tide Pods and a $4 digital for the Tide liquid. And that makes them $11.99 a piece. And I know you're thinking, Sarah, that's not a good deal. You're not getting back any register rewards or anything like that. But we do have a P&G gift card rebate that is new. And so it is good for a lot of items. So here is the rebate offer, and you have to spend $50 after coupons, not before coupons, after coupons. So that's why I got the bigger Tide. And here you can see the list of items of what counts towards the rebate. Looking at the picture, it shows a lot of the items that are included, and in the verbiage there, it lists a few more things that aren't pictured. So it does include Tide, Bounty, Charmin, and also Gillette razors. And we got all of those items today. So our total before the coupons is $45.46. After our coupons, our total will be $34.46. I know I say out in the cards $33.46, but I promise you it's $34.46. Then we'll get back a $5 register reward for the Gillette, and we'll get back $7 from our digital booster. Then we'll have enough to submit to that $15 Visa card. And that's going to make the total for these four items just $7.46, which is amazing. Now the great thing about doing your P&G rebates at Walgreens, you can use Walgreens cash to pay the total down. So that's not a problem. Now if you're using a digital booster, then it will still work because of the amount of coupons that we're using and the amount of cash that we're paying out of pocket. We're able to use some Walgreens cash to pay. Now I also got a $5 paper booster from my first transaction that I forgot to show you here. I am using my register rewards to lower my out-of-pocket as well from my first transaction. So the total for this transaction is going to be $5 cheaper because I had that paper booster, and then I used the contactless method of payment to pay. So that is everything that we're getting today. Not a lot, but a lot to say about it. So let's go out to the car, take a look at the receipts, and see how it all went. All right, guys, so we're back in from Walgreens, and this week is a really good week. So I'm really excited with how everything went. The last time I came shopping, everything went great as well. So it's great. So when Walgreens is good, Walgreens is amazing. So I'm really excited with how everything went, like I already said, because I am a blabbermouth. So on Sunday, I did a transaction, and with that transaction, I thought, man, that really wasn't a good transaction. I mean, I got some good stuff, but then there's always more. It just seems like it. There's always a silver lining. So with the first transaction, I got the Olay purple body wash for that Olay indulgence. I got 2 of the Werthers, I got 2 Bounty, and 2 Charmin. So here is my receipt. I had a $3 register reward and a $2 register reward. I also had a $2 digital coupon for the Olay. I had a $1 digital coupon for the Werthers and a $1 digital coupon for the Charmin. That made my total $34.95. I did pay with $10 in Walgreens cash because between the total of my coupons and the total of my cash equaled the amount of my spend booster, so I was able to use $10 in Walgreens cash. I have a very detailed video linked down below in the description box if you want more step-by-step configuring that type of thing, if you want to do that in the future. So my total was $34.95, and then on the bottom of my receipt here, it doesn't show the Walgreens. So I did get $6 for my digital booster, and when I got up to the counter, they gave me a $7 paper booster. Well, then I used that, and then it printed out a $5 paper booster. So then I used that on my next transaction. But anyways, then I got a $5 register reward for the paper products, and I got a $2 register reward for the Olay body wash. Then I got back $1 on checkout 51 for the Werthers and $4 on Swagbucks also for the Werthers. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I do want to show you here. I got back $3 for the Olay. I got back $1 for the Werthers, and then 10 cents for any receipt. So then that makes that transaction just $5.85, which is amazing considering I got those paper products and I didn't have a lot of coupons. Yes, I did have a higher out of pocket, more than I would like, but I don't have a lot of Walgreens cash, and I don't have a lot of register rewards right now because I'm not doing big, huge transactions or a lot of transactions. So I need to get more register rewards in my arsenal and Walgreens cash, but we're slowly getting there. So then on the next transaction, it was the following day, and then I seen that we have a P&G rebate. So then I'm like, you know what, I'm not getting the little Tide. It's fine to get the little Tide. I personally don't really get them anymore since we stopped getting $2 Tide coupons in paper form, you know, in our inserts. I haven't really been getting the smaller bottles of Tide. I like the big bottles, and this, I like the really big bottles too. So anyways, I thought, you know what, we need to be at $50 after our coupons with these products, these P&G products. So I thought, you know what, I'm not going to get a register reward. I'm not going to be able to get close to that $50 with that transaction. And I kind of need that $15 back to make the paper products and the Tide work. So I'm going to have to get bigger Tide. So anyways, got the bigger Tide and the Tide Pods and the Gillette. So with this transaction, I used a $2 and a $5 register reward for my first transaction. And then I had a $4 digital for the Tide Pods, $4 digital for the Tide Liquid, and a $3 digital for the Gillette. That brought my total to $27.47. I used $10 in Walgreens cash to lower my out-of-pocket. I used $10 in Walgreens cash to pay. So my total for that transaction was So my total for that transaction was $33.46. I did get back, let me grab it really quick because he must have put it in here. I did get back $5 in a register reward for the Gillette. I got back $7 in Walgreens cash for my digital booster, and then $5 in Walgreens cash for that paper booster that I got. I'll also submit my receipt to the pggoodeveryday.com website for $15 back for spending $50 in P&G products. So both of my Tides, my Gillette razors, and my Charmin and my Bounty. After all of my coupons, I am at $50 still. $50 still, so I can get back that $15 Visa card. So that makes that transaction, because I'm getting that $15 Visa card back, that transaction just $1.46. $1.46. I'm really happy with that. And even though I still put out some money, I'm getting some cash back, so I don't feel as bad in my own mind for putting out the cash that I did. And I got this big guy, plus this big guy, and the razors for $1.46. So the total for both of my transactions today equal out to $7.31. And for all of that paper and the big Tides, I am more than happy with that price. More than happy with that price. So I think I'm really happy with my transactions. I think I can put this up. Sure, why not? So anyways, guys, that's all I have for you today. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you enjoyed the video. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you all in the next video, which will be a CVS video. But then that is going to be my last video for quite some time, because I am hopefully, there's some things that have come up and I'm really going to try to make it work. But I have for several months had a road trip that I was going to go on with my family. And some things have popped up, and so I'm not sure if I'm still going to be able to go. Health concerns, health reasons. So I really hope I can still go. If I do go, I will be gone for 3 weeks. So hopefully that all goes well. I really hope it all goes well and I can still go. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.